Alright YouTubers, check what John the Picker's got today for the food reviews. We got some Captain Crunch, Halloween Crunch. It's pretty cool, limited edition cereal. It's got a little ghost in there that turns your milk green. We're going to test and see if that works today. We're going to see if the ghost turn the milk green. We love Captain Crunch. Oops, all berries. We're going to have to get some of those. Peanut Butter Crunch. Check them out on Facebook. Even comes with a little template that you can freaking carve a pumpkin with Captain Crunch on it. It's pretty cool. Yep, got a Captain Crunch box of cereal for Halloween. Let's check this beast out. See what we get today. Shitload of cereal in there. A little bigger on the picker compound. They even taste good dry if you eat them dry. Milk courtesy of Save-A-Lot. What? Got some milk from Save-A-Lot. We had to save some money somewhere. $3 for the box of cereal. Can't beat that. Oh yeah, milk was white going in. We're gonna see if this stuff turns it green. Love Captain Crunch. Sweetened corn and oat cereal. Check the picture out. That's pretty cool. The longer you let it sit in the milk, the less it tears the roof of your mouth up. What? It's already kind of turning green. The little guys are. Turning green, ooh. What's up with that? Well, I just got done with my cereal and the milk ain't really that green. I don't think. White. Captain Crunch green. We're going to have to dump some more in there. See if we can get the milk greener than that. We love that kind. We love Captain Crunch. That's what she looks like now. I ate all the ghost. I ate all the ghost. I suggest you go get yourself some Captain Crunch. Oh yeah. John the Picker, I'm out. What? Alright, Jack, what do you got here? Oh, whoa!
Catboy.
Macy unboxed her mystery figure.
It's special edition.
Special edition.
It's a special edition Night Ninja.
What do we got here? Talking Romeo.
Talking Romeo.
He's a villain?
Yeah. I got two villains at the same time. I got the villain. Get that villain.
Jack's ripping the box. Hold on, buddy. I'll show you what we do here. Hold on. Okay, go like this.
Okay, I'm all done.
You gonna be a hero?
Yeah.
You trying to be a hero?
I love you. Oh, nice, Nana!
Don't take that out. That's your voice box.
Oh,
Them cats throw out a little seat. Pretty nice.